Hey EDC tool enthusiasts, welcome back. Today, we're revealing 25 must-have EDC gear and gadgets that are officially redefining everyday carry in 2026. We've curated the ultimate 2026 pocket dump, featuring everything from MagSafe-compatible multi-tools and AI-powered micro flashlights to the highly anticipated Leatherman Wave Alpha. Whether you're navigating a commute or an off-grid weekend, these best EDC gadgets are designed to be smaller, smarter, and tougher. Stick around for number 1, because it's a modular tool that literally replaces 4 other items in your kit. Let's upgrade your carry. Charging multiple Apple devices shouldn't mean tangled cables or cluttered desks. Meet the Zeehoo charging station, a 3-in-1 Key 2 certified charger that powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods simultaneously with 15-watt fast wireless charging. Featuring an auto-rotating MagSafe stand for hands-free viewing, it's perfect for nightstands, desks, or travel. Compact, efficient, and intelligent, this USB-C charging station keeps all your Apple essentials powered safely and conveniently in one sleek setup. Eating warm meals outdoors shouldn't be complicated or unsafe. The Yabul Flameless Silicone cooker is a lightweight, compact, and eco-friendly solution for camping, fishing, sports, or emergencies. Using a special heating pack and water, it cooks food close to boiling without fire. Made from BPA-free silicone with a secure pressure-locking lid, it's safe, portable, and easy to store. Perfect for enjoying hot, convenient meals anytime, anywhere during outdoor adventures or unexpected situations. Crack open colder, longer-lasting refreshment anywhere. The Huski beer cooler bottle holder is a must for keeping drinks icy when the heat ruins the moment. Built from triple insulated marine-grade stainless steel with next-generation 316 steel, it's double-walled, vacuum-insulated, copper-lined, corrosion-resistant, and tough. The patented push-fit flexi-lock vented lid fits more beers, works as a tumbler, includes a detachable 3-in-1 opener, and makes one of the best gifts for beer lovers. Smoke building up fast? Meet Breetee Range Hood, the compact solution every small kitchen needs to stay fresh. This kitchen 5-layer filter compact desktop exhaust fan delivers powerful 3-speed smoke removal with low noise, no installation, and no ducts needed. Featuring triple-core filtration, LED lighting, and an oil cup, this countertop range hood is ideal for apartments, dorms, RVs, and indoor barbecue cooking in an off-white style. Paper damage ruins important work fast, so reliable protection is a must. The Sinchi thermal laminator machine delivers speed and precision with a 40-second warm-up, 20 inches per minute laminating, and support for 3 to 5 ml pouches. This 13-inch unit features jam release, auto shutoff, and a SAL, all-in-one kit with 10 pouches, trimmer and rounder, cleaning paper, making it ideal for home, office, and school to preserve documents, photos, and projects. Cold coffee kills the moment, especially during long work days. The Dimux coffee mug. Warmer solves that with electric beverage warmers for office home desk use, keeping drinks at 135 degrees Fahrenheit using a 19-watt coffee warmer. This Smart Cup warmer thermostat coaster features a gravity switch auto on-off, indicator light, and works with metal, ceramic, glassware, and more. Ideal for hot coffee, tea, espresso, milk, candle wax, and thoughtful gifting. Capture breathtaking aerial footage effortlessly. The Ruko drones are compact, under 249 grams, with 4K video and 8K photo capabilities, featuring a 3-axis gimbal, electronic image stabilization, and 20,000 feet FPV transmission for ultra-stable shots. With AI takeoff landing, auto return, GPS with beeper, and beginner-friendly controls, this pocket drone ensures safe, precise flights. Perfect for hobbyists and travelers, it comes with smart batteries, extra propellers, and a carrying case. Ideal for photography and unforgettable adventures. Freshness made simple. DeliOne Jars turn everyday storage into a smarter habit when ordinary containers fall short. This cookie jar set of 2 is leak-proof, airtight, and antioxidant, utilizing less air to preserve freshness by compressing silicone jars and reducing oxidation. Safe for kitchen, outdoor, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher use, these foldable jars store snacks, meals, spices, and more while keeping food fresh, organized, and ready anytime. Sleepless flights can turn any trip into a struggle. The ExploreBliss travel pillow solves that with travel pillows for sleeping airplane comfort, featuring a memory foam neck pillow set with eye mask, earplugs, and storage bag. This removable cover neck pillow with adjustable clasp uses premium materials for cool support. Ideal for planes, trains, business trips, and family travel, it's a complete travel essential set. Stale air ruins calm moments at home or on the go. The amazing flower essential oil diffuser fixes that as a portable aromatherapy diffuser with a 20 milliliter capacity, using Waterless essential oil diffuser technology for pure aroma. This battery-operated mini scent diffuser offers 3 mist levels and timers, silent operation, and a leak-free design. Perfect for home, car, and office relaxation. Say goodbye to tangled cables and slow charging. The TechThrill charging station is an Apple MagSafe travel charger for multiple devices, featuring an aluminum foldable magnetic wireless charger with 360-degree rotation. This 3-in-1 station charges your iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods simultaneously, offering safe, fast charging with an 118-watt PD adapter. Compact, portable, and foldable, it's perfect for travel, home, or office use, keeping all your Apple devices charged efficiently and neatly. Upgrade your meetings with crystal clear audio. The Yealink Bluetooth speakerphone is a conference microphone with Teams full duplex, noise reduction algorithm, and 360-degree voice pickup, designed for home or office use. Full duplex audio allows multiple participants to speak simultaneously, while advanced noise cancelling reduces background distractions. Easy to set up via USB, Bluetooth, or dongle, it's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, smartphones, and tablets, perfect for Zoom, Teams, Skype, and smooth professional communication. Get precise temperatures in seconds with the Etekcity laser temperature gun, a must-have for cooking, DIY projects, and home appliances. This meat food candy oven thermometer for griddle accessories and refrigerator tools measures surfaces from -58 to 842 degrees Fahrenheit with adjustable emissivity and maximum measure, featuring 12:1 distance to spot accuracy, a bright backlit LCD, and fast readings. It's perfect for ovens, grills, food, automotive use, AC units, and more. Simple, accurate, and versatile. Stay prepared and precise on the go. The 1.3 EDC Essential Gear combines a 2mm clutch pencil or erasable gel ballpoint pen with an aerospace-grade aluminum scale ruler and protective rubber ends for contactless use. Ergonomically designed for comfort, it allows architects, designers, and makers to write, erase, and measure effortlessly. Magnetic binding keeps tools aligned, while the compact, stylish design attaches easily to keyrings, backpacks, or belts for ultimate everyday carry convenience. Relieve back pain and improve posture effortlessly. The Qutool Lumbar Support Pillow is an office chair and back support pillow for car, designed with high-density memory foam and a breathable 3D mesh cover. Double adjustable straps keep it securely in place on chairs, car seats, or home office setups. Perfect for long hours of sitting, this ergonomic chair cushion provides upper, mid, and lower back support, making it an ideal office, home, or stocking stuffer essential. Track your sleep like a pro. The Garmin Index Sleep Monitor is a lightweight, breathable band worn on the upper arm, designed for comfort all night. It provides sleep metrics, including sleep score, stages, HRV, and rest duration, with up to 7 nights of battery life. Advanced features track breathing variations via pulse oximetry and skin temperature, while women's health tracking offers period predictions. Data syncs with Garmin Connect, and a smart wake alarm ensures gentle, optimal wake-ups. Simplify your everyday carry with the Bare EDC Tiny Wallet, an expandable titanium slim wallet that holds your cards and cash securely while adjusting to your needs. Its thick titanium body, sandblasted and laser engraved, is lightweight yet nearly indestructible. The nylon strap keeps cards, cash, receipts, and business cards in place with easy front access options. Adjustable for up to 15 cards, this simple, durable, and functional wallet ensures organized, quick access anytime, anywhere. Charge smarter and faster with the Kabysio magnetic wireless charger, a complete solution featuring a mag charger, 20-watt USB-C adapter, and an aluminum charging stand. Perfect for iPhone Max, Plus, Mini, Air, and AirPods, it snaps magnetically for stable alignment and efficient 7.5-watt wireless charging. Convertible from stand to pad, it allows vertical or horizontal phone placement. Fast, safe, and intelligent, it protects against overcharging, overheating, and scratches while keeping your devices powered effortlessly. Take family health into your own hands. The Withings Biamo digital thermometer is a 4-in-1 multi-scan device, combining an ECG monitor, pulse oximeter, digital stethoscope, and temperature detection for children and adults. Multi-user functionality and contactless fever detection make it perfect for home or on-the-go family care. Quickly assess heart, lung, and respiratory health, and easily share data with doctors. An all-in-one innovative tool for proactive wellness and telehealth checkups. Make automotive projects easier and safer. The Visa trim removal tool set includes 2 packs of upgraded heavyweight metal pry tools with stainless steel pry boards, designed for removing car interior panels, dashboards, clips, baseboards, and more. Its unique edge design and premium stainless steel construction prevents scratches or damage. Anti-slip, comfortable grips, and professional-grade durability make this set perfect for DIY enthusiasts, mechanics, and automotive interior work. That's the 2026 lineup. Which of these next-gen EDC essentials is a day-one purchase for you? Let me know in the comments. We're reading every single one. If this helped you refine your 2026 gear loadout, hit that like button and subscribe. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and we'll see you over there.